When I act, if I do this, or if I do this, it's totally in my control. I don't have PBA, but if you're someone with pseudo-bulbar affect, choosing to cry or laugh may not be your decision. PBA causes frequent outbursts of uncontrollable crying or laughing in people with brain injuries or certain neurologic conditions, like stroke, dementia, or MS.
For a free PBA fax kit, call 1-800-830-6525 or go to pbafax.com. You'll learn the science behind PBA. It's a neurologic condition, not psychological, and it's treatable.
Choosing to cry or laugh should be up to you, not PBA. So get the facts.
Call 1-800-830-6525 or go to pbafax.com for your free kit.